You see, on this resort trip, we got one selected for this resort from the 7th of September till the 10th. Din, din, din. Ready? Yeah. You ready? Ready? Anyway, the camera has somebody say it there, you know. Din, 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 din. Din, 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 din. So when this is raining, I can't come outside then. So this is how it is. This is how Mother Teresa living. You know, this is how it is in Trenchtown. So this is why I say.
Thank you, overcomers. Many blessings, many grateful. Thank you. That's my journey. And you see what I'm doing. I see all of my donation, whatever I get, I save it. And I eat food with some, but I don't do all I in food. So thank you.
Stress. Wow. Gone.
Don't want to get to the finish. So yeah, we're ready to stress and the whole thing. When that's the stress. You know the stress of life and everything.
Dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Extended
Family.
Oh, dream team.
One team.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Burn up my sweatsuit. I look at it my sweatsuit and my best suit. Walk to the next with me damn best, with me burn, me white and me left to the body. Me voice could have hot and flame. Never had me go Kino, you know.
Straight.
And the girl want me senior, you know. After, we got the warrior them. Man, hot and flame, never late.
Never late. We on the journey. Dream team, one team. We on the journey here.
One team, dream team, dream team.
One team.
Alright.
And we have children with the voice. Many made the voice. For them see the face, them know the voice.
Dream team. We have Viva Juice.
Yeah.
We have Viva's Juice, the Legends Juice. Look,
Viva.
Roots and Mash. Viva the Legend.
Viva. So this is us. Yes, so we're going to St. Thomas. We're going to the Bad Fountain. You know.
Check out Bridget Jachusia.
Yes.
What name? Jachusia.
What name?
You tell me.
What name?
Jachusia. See, you got it right.
I say Jatusia.
Not Tusia, it's Chusia.
Yo, Jachusia. His name is Jachusia.
Jachusia, the great.
So yeah, we're going back to Bad Fountain again. So we're going to take you on the journey here. Saying what Satnam is there. And we said children with the children vice around there. And yeah, you're a keynote. They are same way. Youth.
Youth.
The best water above water. Lava. Well, lad, chill on the video, man. And get some hot water. Them say, hot it up. Hush. Them say, hot it up. Woo. Straight. Wow. Gone.
You want to get to the finish? So yeah, we're ready to stress on the whole thing. Well, that's the stress. You know the stress of life and everything.
So tell them to Kino life in Jamaica.
Yeah. So welcome to Jamaica. We're going to release the stress and play things, right? That's that.
Oh, hear that. This is where she come and release all the stress.
All the stress. Yes. Get to take water.
I hear that. Since I can't get the other, you take the hot water. Right, that is that. What's your name? Tell them your name now, sure. What's your name?
Well, my name is Petra the Rock, you know? The Rock, yeah.
Petra the Rock.
Yeah.
So she...
Surrounded?
Yes.
Surrounded by rock, you know?
Surrounded by pure rock. So she is a rock. A trench stone rock, you know. Yeah, man. Keep it down. It's amazing.
That's water.
Right, Mother Teresa. Oh, yeah, Billion. Yeah, Billion.
So the youth to do some more work, that we just want pause.
So we're here now, we're here with Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa put in some work on the fair side around here. Just like we have Talpi put in some work, Bibi put in work on Fuden side, Light Parks put in work. So the members are try to help themselves, and you smile while put in work too, right?
Yeah.
See there, so everybody I try because Dream Team I build up everywhere, you know. And they make an effort, help out themselves, you know. And
Take a block the street down, then it's park back from.
so it's a Mother Teresa place, right? And as I can see, and as we can know, Mother Teresa saved a donation which she received from the extended family, and she decided to start a mission. So basically Mother Teresa also, this is how you...
This is the kitchen, I tear it down. For the board then we get damaged, so I tear it down and carry everything, toilet and bathroom under one. Everything.
Okay.
So you can see, so then kind of rotten, right?
So yes, I don't give you as well.
Yeah. So I'm going to carry right so everything will come in one basic.
So eventually you have to go lick down this too and black it?
Yes, then I black because one time gunshot they come through and go in the barrier, so
gunshot fly through the barrier?
Yeah. Come through the fence, same as me I step up, me have to run back in the house, so I black right to see the concrete go straight down.
Now we got Mother Teresa. And this is the first we actually have come on and highlight Mother Teresa place. You know, as you can see, we highlight a couple of the members already. You know, we already know about the Wow Chef. You know, we know about Light Parks are putting in work, and Diddy also as well are putting in work. To all the extended family, you know, a lot of viewers them, you know, a lot of the family always say we should turn some attention to the members then and give them some form of help, because I agree as well. You know, so we highlight Mother Teresa because even the overcomers contact me because they heard that Mother Teresa was doing some work on our place. So this is why I'm here now, so the overcomers can see as well what Mother Teresa been doing in our place, and all the extended family that out there that concerned about Mother Teresa. Because you know she's been on the program from before, you know, she's the loyal one that been there, you know, she never leave my side no time at all. You know, I'm not just saying that because of family, you know, as you can see for myself, the genuineness and the life that's been shown towards the people in the community. So this is Mother Teresa's spot. So basically, you know, so you have a room to live here with your son, right?
Yeah.
And so as you can see, Trenchtown with a lot of things in Trenchtown as we all can see. So she try to make a difference. So this is what she done with the money, donation that she get, and she buy her steels and everything. Right, and this is Mother Teresa, you know, so yeah, so Mother Teresa made a donation. A donation from the overcomers. As I say, they explain the situation, and them say they want to be the first to start, and they want the first to give you a contribution towards your expedition, you know, on your journey. So I got $25,000 for you from the overcomers, you know, and building your foundation. So this is $25,000 from the overcomers.
10, 20, 25. Thank you, overcomers. Many blessings, many grateful. Thank you. That's my journey, and it's what I'm doing. I save up all of my donation. Whatever I get, I save it, and I eat food with some, but I don't do all that in food. So thank you, all my families,
extended
family,
extended family, no more donors.
Family. Thank you so very much. Oliver and Carla, big up on yourself. Happy thanks. With love.
Yeah, man. So as we can see, this is Mother Teresa project that she's doing, and she's been helping herself, you know, from the donation that she received, and giving herself a helping hand. So this is Mother Teresa on her journey. I know, as I say, no matter how small it is, you know, and so you can reach out and give a helping hand. I know this is Mother Teresa, you know, no matter how small. So Mother Teresa, I want to have an envelope here for you. And this is from 5, hold on, let me get the name right, from 7 Love Styles. 7 Love Styles from the USA, you know, I'm saying about a couple envelope with couple names on it. So your name is on this one. He said Mother Teresa, and this is from 7 Love Styles.
7 Love Style family. Thank you for what you have done for me. Thank you very much, all our family. One love, dream team. One team.
Alright, so that is from 7 Love family from the USA. You know, we give thanks every time. We thank you for that envelope for Mother Teresa. So as I say, 7 Love family also heard about Mother Teresa's situation, and he sent the envelope. I will give thanks as well too. Thank you for the love, you know, because we're not all extended family. So we give thanks for the support for Mother Teresa. So we are continuing the journey, and Mother Teresa, if anything, so we outside the bed, Mother Teresa.
Yeah, because the part of, you know, but you want the space, just tear it down and just use it same way. Because nobody not really coming here. So
and
just deal with everything one way.
And so the outside tile is basically. Oh, it's still you, see me?
Yeah, fashion bed same way.
So when this is rain, I can't come outside then. So this is how it is. This is how Mother Teresa living. You know, this is how it is in Trenchtown. So this is why I say each and everyone is trying to make the best of their life, as I can see the situation, or people are still living in these modern times same way. You know, I will give thanks to the extended family because I don't know anyone here from Trenchtown most likely, and I always reach out because when you can see the need. I will thank you so much for the support because when you can see Mother Teresa need, this is where Mother Teresa shower, this is Mother Teresa toilet, and this is actually outside Mother Teresa house. So she been on the program. I'll never yet hear Mother Teresa ask for any form of support for anything. You know, yeah, and she put out her best, and any donation that she gets, she always put it aside. And this is what she been doing. She buy her blocks and she buy her steel, you know, without asking even me, you know. So this is me, you know, reaching out and showing what's going on with Mother Teresa, you know, because this is Mother Teresa. She been here, you know, from the starting. She been there. She's still here.
Yeah.
You know, she's still here.
No complaining, just do the good work, same way.
And you wouldn't know that Mother Teresa is literally using her outside tile without no roofing, you know, a shower without a proper piping, you know, a house that's falling apart, as they can see, you know, as they can see, but everything falling apart here. So, yeah man, so we ask the Almighty, you know, to reach out and touch our extended family, you know. Some partner them art with them you can't lose, you know. I know it's rough over there. It's very rough. And this is a situation we gotta take our time, and no matter how small we get Mother Teresa, you just put it to use same way. Put it down like what you've been doing that, so you know you'll continue to do the same. Alright, so we give thanks to the extended family out there. So we gotta continue the journey. So we keep them up to date and then we'll continue, see your journey and see your progress.
Thank you very much.
So that's Mother Teresa, right Smiley?
Right.
We have Rum Lord with Baby Dream on here. Alright, so we'll attend the rest of the members then now. And we give thanks. And we have whoa, you know?
Yeah man, whoa in the jaw, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know, you know?
Whoa in the kitchen, you know?
Yeah, I'm saying in the jaw now. You see me I say? Then the boy in the spot with the right now.
And we have waistline boom.
Yeah man, yeah, one love blessed to all of the extended family.
Extended family.
Fly, we have electrician at the building.
Yeah, one love to extended families.
Yeah. Alright, and we have Baja.
Man, peace, extended family, love.
Right, and them no, him rum friend. At the party there, Baja and rum friend, rum lord.
Rum, party, man, I don't know.
You know, so what do you Baja collect something for you, know? It's like we do a while ago. I see the Baja do, you know. What you do, Baja? See that again, and that's rum lord. And we have natural.
Yeah man, all across the board, straight love, you know.
See the only natural. Straight. And we have Rasta Jacks around there.
Love every time.
Only movie star.
Every time, more love, huh?
And we have run out of breath.
Extended family, one love. May the good Lord guide and protect us all. One love, extended family.
Every time. Tall P.
One third P. Extension family, big up, what you call respect, bless up.
Any other P, a short P. Anything already. And we have Mother Teresa here already. And we have chicken thief in the building.
One love, you see it?
Yeah.
Extended family, big up on yourself and blessing. Man, the food basket never empty.
Yeah, can don't see me and Smiley a roll already. I go and check out the people, them players. And we have bombing ball. Look on them 2 here, yeah, man. Joan, stop right here. Come right here, Joan. Stop right here, Joan. Come here, I wonder what going on Teresa Street. Because I don't know what going on. The right time you are pass. So we have how should I start from? I come because you are lead it out, you know, Joan. And you start it, you know that. So me have Joan, Goldie, and we have Ready, and we have Blandy. You understand? 3 of them on Teresa Street, that them are running competition. But it's alright, man. Next time you see one have. You come tomorrow and so I go on. And we have Elder Denise. Come here, Elder Denise. Come here. Alright, put fun and joke aside because you know the last time I had to get some information about Sam because they've been asking me what's going on with Sam. Anything yet?
No.
Because I explained to 1 and 2 who phoned me already is the son. That is Sam's son.
The son visit him.
Yeah.
So no information never really leads to me. Them say the son, them restrict me.
Okay, so them restrict her if I get any information about Sam, so the son, and then we have no contact with the son, right? No contact with the son.
No,
so
number 5 neither.
So we have no contact with the son, so we have no idea if we know where we're going with Sam. So if we hear anything else, we want to keep up to date, same as it goes. Right, Dream Team!
One team!
That sound weak! Dream Team!
One team!
One team!
Dream team!
Extended
Family!
Oh, Dream Team!
One team!
One team!
Dream team!
Extended
Family!
Oh, see, they them get it. So you know, so me have something right here. Alright, see the badger right behind there, so.
Yeah.
I have a bag of rice. Yeah. Pull it out. Pull it out. A bag of rice. Yeah, the badger week. Alright, you show me your strong now. Alright. So we have this here, and this is from 7 Love Styles from the USA, you know, for the Dream Team.
Yeah, man, 7 Love Style from the USA.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, extended family. Bless up, love and thanks and appreciation. You understand?
Yeah.
And we have to feed, you know.
Feed there. So we have a bag of rice here, healthy rice.
Yeah.
It's a palm boil rice.
Yeah.
And we have flour in here, we have things that we give thanks from the
every time,
7 Love. And it's not stopped there because they send a couple envelope.
Straight love.
You know, I already gave one to Mother Teresa, and we also have Barcha name written on one as well too. And it's coming from 7 Love Styles, same way, from the USA.
Yeah, man, 7 Love Style, love and blessing, well appreciated, man. Yeah, man, we can't tell you much thanks and blessings. You know?
Yeah.
It's always good to know that when you put out the work, the reward is there in the end, you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
And once you do the good thing and great things, then the love and appreciation will come. You understand? Love, straight, oneness.
Straight.
Yeah.
That's from 7 Love Styles. I also have let me know I'm not wrong. A natural, it's say. You see me? Because it's the only one with natural. Have to be a natural. If I'm wrong, I reimburse it. If I'm not aware, still like my talk too much. Yeah, so we have an envelope here for natural from 7 Love Styles from the USA.
Well, blessed to know from the 7 Love family, you know. All across the board, and I appreciate everything. Every moment of it.
Sure.
Respect goes all out.
Yeah.
7 Love family.
Yeah. Our extended family. Yeah.
Big up to all the Dream Team family.
Sure.
All across the board.
Yeah.
Every time.
Every time.
Blessings.
Yeah.
Our reward. Great.
Yeah.
You can't stop.
So I could give 7 Love Styles a round of applause, please. So 7 Love Styles, thank you for the rice. You know, thank you for the flour.
Yeah.
I was a tin. You know, wow chef love the tin them, you know. I'll shake like a man, them man and still a boil something. Eh?
Tuna in there.
Anything in there right now. So see there's 7 Love Styles, wow.
7 Love Style.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, tuna fried dumpling body, you know, nothing more baking powder, man, you know.
Yeah.
Man.
Gone.
Oh.
Alright, so we give thanks.
7 Love, enough respect, you know.
Alright, so it's a Dream Team.
One team!
And we have a public announcement. No, sorry, we have a resort announcement. You know, and you know, resort, you know, sponsored by Oliver and Carla. We could give Oliver and Carla a round of applause for this again. You know. Din, 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 din. Alright. So on this trip, whoa. Whoa. Yeah, so I'm say on this resort trip, we got one selected for this resort from the 7th of September till the 10th, and it's in Ocho Rios. You know? And we have one member, and as you know, I always hear Oliver say, you know, when him select members, you know, him select because them earn it. Right? It's not because him just bring people because them earn it. So when you earn something, you're gonna get it, right? I will give thanks for the goal out them Africa and look out for the concern of who earned, you know. So that's why I say people look into what we're doing. So if you don't think people now watch what we're doing, they're watching. You know, so everything sure. Body language, face language, you name it. Tongue language, everything sure. Effort or put in sure. Right, so we give thanks. So ready with no further ado. We go din 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 din. Din 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 din. Din 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 din. Din 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 din. Wait, let me see who been already. Let me see the animal who been already. Let me see the animal.
Twice, you know.
Twice.
One time ago, twice, you know.
We say alright then. Din 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 din. Din din din. Ready? You ready? Ready? Anyway, the camera step I said there, you know. Din 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 din. Din 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 din. Din 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 din. A beer out of it. Din 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 din. Now we have waistline boom. Waistline boom. Yeah. Come right here, waistline boom. Yeah. So big. All the chair put there for your boom. Wow. Look at power of applause. I'll give my round of applause. Yeah.
Blessed, one love.
Yeah. So, yeah. It's been as him say, him deserve it, him earn it because he knows that man him put out him time, see him. You know, we have to give thanks. Because as I say, it's not a thing where Oliver and Carla have to do. Them must do it. Right? They're not supposed to. But once them do it, we give thanks and we show the gratitude. So we have to happy for each other. So if somebody feel like they're not go, happy for who been there because it's one team. That's why we say dream team. One team. That's the only reason why we have to support each other. So boom, how you feel?
Feel happy I'm not reaching.
Number one. I will give thanks. We give thanks, you know, we give thanks to ourselves for what we've been doing for our community. And we are continuing to push out the efforts same way. You know, until the journey. Father God said that's it. Not do enough. Right, Jenna.
Max, come here.
Yeah, Jenna said yo, blue water. Extended
family.
Yeah.
World.
I am straight.
Love.
Alright, how we do that, you know? So we give thanks for our extended family. We give them a clap off, you know, for our extended. Max is here. I will give thanks. Dream team? One team. Only real team.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.